Good morning, dear students. Today we shall be doing some problems from activity 3 from page number 13. You take out your books and go to page number 13. Question number 1. Arrange the numbers in Indian place value chart. Rewrite them in blank spaces with commas at the right places. Question number B, 247158. For solution, I have drawn the place value chart for Indian system of numeration, starting from ones, then tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Entering the digits from the back side. In ones place, I shall write 8, 5, I shall write in tens place, 1 in hundreds place, 7 in thousands place, 4 in 10,000s place, and 2 in lakhs place. The question is given, rewrite them in blank spaces with commas at the right spaces. As I have told you earlier, after finishing every period, you have to put comma. That is the standard form to represent a number. Lakh period is finished after 2, so we have to put a comma after 2. Thousands period is finished after 7, so we have to put a comma after 7. Therefore, the number after putting commas will be 2,47,158. If I write the number name, it will be 2,47,158. 2,47,158. Question number 2 is, arrange the numbers in international place value chart. Rewrite them in blank spaces with commas at the right places. Question number C I have taken for showing you how to do this. 5172359. I have drawn the place value chart for international system of numeration. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, then million, 10 million and 100 million. Then entering the digits of the given number starting from the back side, that is 9 will be in ones place, 5 will be in tens place, 100 will be in 3 will be in hundreds place, 2 at 1,000, 7 at 10,000, 1 at 100,000 and 5 at millions. So putting comma after every period, it will be 5,172,359. If I write the number using commas, it is 5,172,359. If I write the number name, then it will be 5,172,359. It is 5,172,359. The next question is question number 3. Write the number name in Indian system. I have taken number C 9,27,471 to write the number name. So first what I have done, I have drawn the place value chart for Indian system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Putting the digits in their respective places. 1 is at ones place, 7 is tens place, 4 is hundreds place, 7 again at thousands place, 2 is at 10,000s place, and 9 at lakhs place. If I draw the number name, it will be 9 lakh, 9 lakh, 9 lakh, 27,000, 27,000, 471, 471. So this is the number name for this number. If we write the number in words, then it is called number name. Now go to page 14, question number 4. Write the number name in international system. For explanation, I have taken the question number C, 3,993,457. So I have drawn the international place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Now putting the digits in their respective places. 7, 5, then 4, 3 in thousands place, 9 10,000s place, again this 9 in 100,000, this 3 will be in million. So if I write the number name, it will be 3 million, 3 million 993,000, 993,000, 993,000, 457, 457. So this is the number name for this number. Question number 5 is write the numbers putting commas at the right place. Number D I have taken for explanation. 1,402,075. For that I have drawn the international place value chart because it is a million, given million, so it is international place value chart we have to use for the purpose. 1 million, that means 1 will come at millions place. 402,000, 402 in thousands period. 402, that is 402. Then 75, 75 is 7 and 5. 100 in hundreds place it will be 0. So if I write it with comma, put comma after every period, it will be 1,402,075. So I hope you have understood my class today. this is all for the day. Have a great day ahead.